A rich, luxurious pasta sauce made with humble ingredients. Pepperonata pasta. We're gonna take humble vegetables, the star of the show, the bell pepper, and turn them into a silky and luxurious sauce. It's time to make pepperonata pasta. Here we go. Half an onion. If you go through the North and South Pole like that, and then you take off the polar ice caps, what you have is a perfect way to get some slices. A little oil into the pan. Here we go. Garlic, like this. Just throw it in there, whole. And now for the star of the show, the bell pepper. The move here is to cut the cheek right off. And you can leave all of the seeds and veins behind like that. And then I just take that last little bit too. If you put the bell pepper this way, then you've got a solid rocking surface, which makes a lot of sense because that's what you're supposed to do when you're cutting a knife. You don't want the ingredient moving around. However, they don't cut quite as well that way as when they're skinned down. It's just an interesting little factoid. Red bell pepper, now we know what to do, right? So, cheek, cheek, cheek. Bell peppers in. Cherry tomatoes going in. I like to just pierce them with the tip of your knife. And that way they can kind of bleed out. If they stay whole and cook and someone bites them, it's an explosion of hot liquid in your mouth. Very, very bad. A little bit of salt. Here's a fun little trick. You get some water. You go right in, like this. Cover. And now you're really gonna stew that down, which is nice. Frankie, what is a pepperonata? It's an Italian pepper condiment, and that sounds kind of weird until you realize that in Italy, they pretty much call every single pasta sauce il condimento, the condiment. So is it a condiment or is it a sauce? And the answer is yes. It smells really, really good already. When we put that hot water in here and cover it and create that steam environment, that's how we break these crispy vegetables down into vegetables that can become silky and coat every piece of spaghetti. Here we are. Woo! The peppers have probably broken down. We're gonna find out right now. Smells amazing. You have the familiarity of the tomato, but the pepper and onion is giving me some serious San Gennaro festival vibes. If you know, you know. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of sherry vinegar. We want to create balance. We've got this sweet onions, right? Sweet pepper, cut through it. Acidity. I'm killing my heat. And now, fresh basil. Perhaps you stored it in paper towel, in the fridge, from the last thing you made. Maybe it was a chicken pizza. I just picked this one right out of the ground. How are we gonna get that silky smooth pepperonata sauce? By blending it, of course. And I've never had my own blender, but now I do. I got it at an estate sale, $5. What a deal. Spoon in the peppers. A little left, a little right. Bullseye! Let's blend. Got our hot pepper sauce. And when I say hot, I mean temperature. It's not spicy. Don't you worry. Look at that. Woo! I'm putting it back in the pan because every pasta is made perfect by the union of the condiment and the pasta together as one in the pan, tossed judiciously and with care. Let's make some pasta. Gotta make that pasta taste like something. You gotta salt that pasta water. Know your salt. That might seem like a lot, and maybe it is. There's really only one way to find out. Taste your pasta water. I mean, it should honestly taste like the salinity of a soup. That way, when the pasta cooks, that flavor is jammed into the middle. That way, we know that that salt is not topical. It has permeated through to the center of the pasta. I think spaghetti's the way to go here. Full pound, and we go in. Just move it around now And we're gonna set a timer for a minute under what the box says, because I like to finish cooking the pasta in the sauce, and you should too, because that is a true marriage, one that will endure the long time that it takes me to eat it, which ironically will not be long at all, because I eat very quickly, especially when things are delicious. All right, we've got our pepperonata sauce. It's rich, but you can see that it's not thick, like the way it's moving is very fluidious. And what does it taste like? Fantastic. Humble salad ingredients, heated, caramelized, blended, and turned into a fantastic sauce for pasta. So unexpected, so luxurious, and so struggly. Ah, it's 1 minute under. Pasta is going into our sauce. We're bringing a little pasta water with it. Let's crank this up real quick. We're doing our final cook here. You can see right away that we might need a little bit of that hot starchy water. See how it like takes the sauce away? Okay, that looks beautiful. It smells beautiful. The marriage of pasta and condiment sauce has happened. Let's plate it. Beautiful. A few cubes of mozzarella. A little pistachio. It's adding protein, it's adding flavor, it's adding color, it's adding texture. Texture is an underrated thing. I mean, think about your favorite foods in the world and how much you like eating them. Now think about putting that food in a blender and drinking it. You still want it? If it's a pepperonata, absolutely I still want it. A little hot pepper too. So there it is. If you're feeling saucy, and I am, just a little fresh olive oil, like that. Let's try this pasta. What do you say? Now, if you're just joining us, it looks like we're just having pasta with tomato sauce, but this is anything but that. It's like a whole bunch of vegetables. The aroma is wildly different than a pomodoro, a marinara, any of those. This is a winner of a dish. It's bright, it's silky, it's vegetables. It's got that pizzazz without the cost, especially if you make a double or a triple batch, because that way you save time and you save money, and you gotta eat anyway. Like literally, it is the fuel that keeps us going throughout the day. So why not do it now, cook once, eat thrice or twice? Fridge, freezer, we live in the future. Use these things because we can preserve food without changing their flavor. This is a delicious pasta and you should make it. But first, a struggle tip. You know what's a really smart use of time and money? Making a double batch of pretty much any sauce on the planet. And that's exactly what I did with my pepperonata. Pour half of it into a freezer-safe container like this, let it cool down on the counter, and once it's cool, write the date, cover it up and freeze it. It'll hold for about 3 months, and my past self has made a meal for my future self. That's not only smart, it's time and money saving with a side of deliciousness.